All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about nested dictionaries. So a nested dictionary is a dictionary that can contain dictionaries. This is called nested dictionaries, okay? You can also add 3 dictionaries into a new dictionary. So let's jump into our notebook and take a look at this. All right, so with nested dictionaries, a dictionary can contain dictionaries, which is called nested dictionaries, okay? So to create a dictionary that contains 3 dictionaries, let's take a look at how this would look. Okay, so if I grab our existing dictionary and I paste that in here, what we're going to do is when we create 3 dictionaries inside of one, what we're going to do is after the curly brace, we put a comma. Okay, and then we will do the following. So let's write this out from scratch. Okay, so we're going to do let's do our family. Okay, and then I'm going to do equals, and we'll do a curly brace. Okay, now inside of that, we're going to do child 1, a colon, and then a curly brace. And then we're going to do name, colon, and then Bob. Okay, and then I'm going to do year, colon, and let's do 2004. Okay, then after that on the curly brace, we're going to have a comma, and then we'll return, we'll do child 2. Okay, it's going to be another colon, and then a curly brace. And then inside of this is where we're going to put the data. So we'll have name, and we'll have John. Okay, and we'll do year again, and we'll do 2008. Okay. And then the third child, so we'll do another comma, return, and then we'll do child 3, colon, and then a curly brace. And then inside of there, we're going to do name again. And let's do Paul. Let's do Paul. Okay, and then we'll do the year will be 2014. Okay. Now that's how you can create 3 dictionaries, okay, in one. Now if I print this, print our family, it's going to print all this information. Or not, because I don't have correct syntax somewhere. So let me see what happened here before we carry on. So what we're missing is commas. Okay, so we need a comma after Bob, a comma after John, and a comma after Paul. And then this information will work. Okay, so there you go. You have child 1, name is Bob, years 2004. Child 2 is named John, years 2008. And child 3 is named Paul, years 2014. Okay, so if you want to add 3 dictionaries into a new dictionary, okay, we can create 3 dictionaries, then create 1 dictionary that will contain the other dictionaries, okay? So like this. So we'll use the same data. So what I'll do is I'll grab we'll just write it out again. So we'll do child 1 equals, and then curly braces, and we'll do name, and we're going to do Bob again, okay? And Bob will be in quotes, this time capitalized, with a comma. And then we'll do year, colon, and then 2004. And then we're going to do child 2 will equal, curly braces again, and we're going to do name with a colon, and then we'll do John, and then the year will be 2008, okay, comma, after John, okay, and then the third child, child 3, will equal, curly braces again, we're going to do name in quotes, and then colon, and then Paul, and we're going to do a comma after that, and then year, and we'll do colon, and then we'll do 2014. Okay, so now that I have all three of these dictionaries created, now we can do my family, okay, which will equal child 1, okay, colon, child 1, comma, child 2, colon, child 2, and then child 3, colon, child 3. Now you see the differences, but how much easier it is to do it this way than this way up here. It's pretty much the same, but this is actually faster because you're just writing it once. Here you have to write it again, but either way it's fine. Now when I print my family, okay, and run that, then we get child 1, child 2, child 3. Okay, so that's how you nest dictionaries. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.